I removed all the boards that we're going to remove, and some of them it was just easier to pull them out so we have straight shots, but they really weren't very good boards to start with. When this was built, they used scrap lumber, basically pieces that they had taken off something else or leftovers. So it served the purpose, but now that we're redoing it, might as well just put new hemlock in there. And the overhang is only 2 inches, 2 inches wide, so I'm putting some 2x6s in there. You can see in there I have 3 of them in already, and I'm going to put 3 more in to give us some good nailers too for the other boards. And then we're going to go on with a real wide one, hopefully cover that span, and then some narrower ones to cover the middle. Maybe I think I have some 1x6s that'll do it. Time to put more boards on.